Guys, I got something very exciting to show you. Ta-da! It's my very first proper monitor. Of course by MSI, because my laptop is MSI, so I wanted to kind of keep it in the family. But yeah, let's unbox this. I'm so excited. It's 27 inches, the same, what is this called? The same thing as my laptop screen. This is also 27 inches. But yeah, let's take it out. Okay, so we got the, I don't know what this is, I'll figure it out. But this is for the cable. Nice, what is this? Instruction manual, starter pack, maybe? And, oh, HDMI. Oh, I didn't know it came with a HDMI, that's handy. Nice. Our monitors these days usually this light. This is very intriguing. So this is it. Oh, this is the stand for the monitor. Right, it's all making sense in now. This is quite big, isn't it? It's like a boomerang. A bit sharp as well. Oh my gosh. Look at this. It almost seems too big for my desk. So that's the back. So it turns out I did everything that I wasn't supposed to do. I wasn't supposed to lift the monitor out of the packaging just yet, because I had to screw this bracket on the back of it. So I put it back in the packaging. So I'm gonna do that now. And yeah, so I'm just slotting it in here like this. And it came with screws, so I have to screw. Oh, you guys can't even see it. There we go. It came with screws, so I need a screwdriver and I'm gonna screw them in to the back of it. What's next? Now I need to put the bracket, the stand on. Oh, and it's already got a screw in it. How handy. Let's see. Oh, it just slots right in like this, it seems. So the next thing to do is to take it out. Wow, this is really big. I don't think this is the same size as my laptop, you know. This is a really big monitor. Like this is big. So I'm just gonna put the bracket on, pretty straightforward. Just put it over the top like this. And then put it in place, just to cover that little area there. Lovely, lovely. Right, I'm gonna hook it up now, and then let's see how it fares. Oh, I'm excited. All right, it's the moment of truth. The plug isn't turned on. 1 second. Oh my gosh! Guys, this is really big. Oh my gosh, this is a big monitor. Do you know what? I'm not mad at it. I really like it. The flat. My English is doing bits. The fact that it's frameless, that gets a thumbs up from me. So for all of you tech heads out there, this is the MSI Optix G271 27-inch gaming monitor. At the back of the monitor you will find one Kensington lock, an earphone jack, a display port, 2 HDMI ports and a DC jack port, and the red button at the back is also a 5-way joystick navigator. Just some more specifications. So the monitor is full HD in 1920 by 1080p. It has a refresh rate of 144 Hz and a response time of 1 millisecond. I've only had this monitor for one day and I'm not going to lie, I am absolutely in love with it. The colours, the size, the quality, the graphics, everything about this monitor is absolutely perfect for me and I'm so excited to continue using it. But yeah, that's it from me. I hope you enjoyed my video. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye!